Good evening everyone. Myself Sushma. I am student of G Siddharth English Academy. I am guided by Nyamurthy sir. Today I am going to speak about myself. My name is Sushma Maruti Patil. My school name is Sri Vitthal Rukmini Junior College Tiruvandi. I study 10th class. I live in Tiruvandi. My favorite subject in English. My favorite hobby is reading newspaper. My favorite leader is Rani Lakshmibai. My father's name is Maruti Pandit Patil. He is a farmer. He takes care of us. He works very hard for us. My name is Lakshmi Maruti Patil. My mother is housewife. She looks after us. She is the best person in the world. My brother's name is Samadhan. My sister's name is Rutuja. Thank you for listening to me. Bye. Have a nice day.